can't leave you. Stay here. You're okay. Bye. Bye. Tofu, look at this mess. You are in big trouble. Look at this mess you made, Tofu. I can't believe you spilled it again. I'm really sorry, Tofu. It was an accident. No snacks! I'm so hungry! Whoa! What is this? A snack machine? More! More! I want more snacks! Oh no! Stop! Oh, too many snacks! Okay, just a little snack is enough. Whoa, candy? Wait, what is that? Where am I? Hello? Is anyone here? Everything is candy? Too much. I want to go home. That must be the way back. There you are. Mom! Mom! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh? Where did it go? What is that? No way! My toys are alive?
We needed a break.
Did I play too rough? We just wanted to surprise you. For me? Best surprise ever! What is that? Don't worry, little one. It's just a portal. Wait, how did I get here? This is awesome! Uh-oh, too many.
There.
They're everywhere. It's gonna be okay. Tofu, what are you doing? Wrong one. Just one at a time.
Not again.
I can win this. What is that?
Wait, no!
Mom, I'm here.
Hold on. I'm coming out.
No more machines. Okay, maybe later? Just one more level.
Wow, good job, Tofu.
Huh? Where am I? Tofu!
Tofu?
Mom, I'm here! Hold on. I'm back. No more phone. Okay, maybe later? Oh no. You broke it, Tofu.
But it was an accident.
I'm not listening. Oh no. The vase. I didn't do it. You didn't do it. Oh, I understand. I knew you would.
Wow! A playground. That looks like fun.
This is so fun!
Whoa! Tofu! Slow down.
Mama! Mama!
Where did they go?
I don't understand. Will they come back for me?
We got you! We got you! Oh, my sweet baby! Don't you worry, Tofu.
Stay close, okay?
Okay. We love you, Tofu.
I love you too.
My favorite.
Where is it?
Tofu.
Oh. I lost it. I lost it. Look closer.
There you are. Be careful next time.
I will.
What is that? Oh! Whoa! It's glowing!
No way! No way! I'm outside! Huh. Let's try another! Whoa! This is crazy! This isn't home. I just want to go back. Again? Ice cream? Yes! Where is the driver? Whoa! Wait! This place is amazing! Oh.
Tofu, where are you?
Mom! Again? Wait, I have a really bad feeling about this. What do you mean? We have to keep going. Oh, Tofu, I think I understand now, but it's not safe. Huh? Who's there? Stop it! What?
Come back here! I can't catch it. Wait! I have an idea.
Got you! Okay. Let's share.
Hey guys! Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to follow the newest videos.